Guys, today I want to show you guys my collection of flashlights. I know it's kind of weird, but there are people that collect flashlights, and I'm one of them. I'm always looking for something bigger and brighter, so just want to show you my collection. This is the Convoy L6 right here. This is real popular right now. Been reading a lot, seeing a lot about this. This one's super bright. This one's rated at 3,800 lumens, 3,800 lumens, and yeah, this thing's a beast right here. I got this, which I think it says is a Gugou. It's kind of like the Sky Ray King. Pretty bright too. Yeah, this thing is bright. This has got 10 LEDs in there. This one is a Gugou too with 7. This thing is super bright too. This is Soonfire. This is supposed to be 1,050 lumens. This is a Thorfire C8 style. This is rated at 900 lumens. That one's pretty bright. Of course, we got the more popular brands here. This is a Nitecore. I don't know if you can see it. Nitecore, I think this is the E20 model. This is rated at 960 lumens. Pretty bright too. Another pretty famous brand here is this is the Thrunite TN12. I don't know if you can see it. Thrunite TN12, rated at 1,060 lumens. This one is another Thorfire, the VG10. This is 850 lumens. And here's another Soonfire. It's kind of like a knockoff of the Nitecore M20, I think. This is rated at 1,000 lumens here. So yeah, the brightest one, my favorite one, well, my favorite one is this one because it's nice and small, you know, compact, smaller package. I can't believe this much light comes out of a, you know, tiny flashlight. That's probably my favorite. The Thrunite, I like that one too. Am I missing another one? But right now, this one, the Convoy L6, 3,800 lumens. I mean, everyone's talking about this. It's all over. You really can't tell how bright. Well, maybe you can, but it's just one LED in there. This shit is super bright. Well, that's my collection of flashlights. If you guys want to see a more detailed review on any of these flashlights, like the Convoy L6 or the Thrunite or the little Soonfire right here, I think this is called the NS17. If you want to see a more detailed review or some beam shots, just leave a comment in the comment sections below and let me know which one you want to see, and I'll try to do a review for you guys. Once again, thanks for watching. There's all my flashlights. Peace.